So hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you how to edit and customize mockups using Photopea, the free online Photoshop alternative. Whether you are working with posters, t-shirts or billboards, this tool can help you make a stunning mock-up presentation for free. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into it, but make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So we are going to start by heading to mockupdesigns.com. So let's search for mockups design.com. So here's what to do. Go to the mockup section, like here, free mockup. Tap onto that. You have to browse through categories like scene creators, premium mockups, billboard posters, etc., which you wish to go with. And here you can see they have a premium version. For now, I'm gonna choose the free account. I'm gonna log in using my Gmail account, and then I'm gonna tap continue. So here you can see I'm logged in. Let's reload the page. Now let's head over to the mockups page. Okay, now you can choose a mockup you like. For example, we will go with this nice looking billboard. You just have to click on it and then you have to tap the download option. From here you can just simply tap onto and you can save the image. So this is simple, and then tap save. So the image is now downloaded. Now let's head over to Canva and create our custom designs. Okay, choose a design that fits your vision, like customize it however you like, and then you have to tap on download it, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So let's search for mockup. So from here you can just find a template and you can tap on to customize this template. Wait until the Canva fully loads the page. Then as you can see, it has loaded the page fully. Now you have to tap onto the share. You can customize it according to your wish. And then if you want to add the image you downloaded, you can just type it from here and you can download it here. So this is how you can add a picture. So now if you want to share it, download it, then tap onto the top right corner here, and from there you have to tap onto download. But before downloading, set the file type to PNG for the best quality. Now tap onto download. So as you can see, my download has been started. Now your design is ready to be placed into the mockup. Let's see. Here you can see. Now go to Photopea. It works right in your browser. You have to log into Photopea. So now you tap on to start using Photopea, and now you have to click onto file, or you can tap on to drop any files here. Open. You will have to open this dashboard of Photopea. Now open your downloaded mockup, usually in PNG or PSD format. You just can directly drag it to this place and boom, you will see layers on the right hand panel. You have to delete the note or instruction layer if it exists. Find the smart object layer, usually named your design here. This is kind of like Photoshop, okay, the basic one. Now find the smart object layer. Wait, Just let me cancel this one. You can choose it from here. Okay, so for now I'm not just gonna add it. Okay, control, let me yeah, right. Okay, the option you're searching for is object layer. Usually named your design here or similar. Like first search for your design. Okay, let me tap on the control F, and here you can see this option, object layer. Have to search for that option and have to open it. In the smart object tab, you can delete the existing placeholder from here. So let me show you how you can use it. You can just use it like this. You can choose it and then cut it from here. You can create new folder, or if you want to, you can create layer here, and then you can choose this tool. Then you can modify it from here if you wish to. As you can see, this is how you can do it. You can add gradient color from here. You just have to choose the color. You can spin buckle tool, but for, as you can see, this all is in gradient. So tap on the filter, then tap on to, you can use these ones from here. So just tap on the control Z. So you can use it easily. You can go back to the original tab. Your design is now embedded in the mockup with realistic shadows and verbal tools. So if you want to add something extra, you can just play around all of these options and you can use it. So for example, let's, so tap on the background. Let's choose the background. Now let's change the color. So let's add some type of images from here. You can just choose the image you wish to add, then select it and paste it here. Now as you can see, the image has been added to it. So you can add color from here, like just simply tap onto this and you can see. So just play around this site and you can choose it. So this is how you can edit it, and just choose, select and explore all the options here. This is like Photoshop, so you can use it easily if you have previously used Photoshop. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And if you want any more tutorials like this, let me know on the comment section that what type of tutorial you wish to see. See you in the next video.